Hello, travelers.
Hello, everyone.
Well, we're coming to you live again from Costa Rica.
Yes, specifically Playa Negra and Cahuita.
Yes.
Black sand beach. It's beautiful here. The water is great. A little choppy for regular swimming. Great for surfing or boogie boarding.
Yes. And great for the brave at heart. You know, go jump in the waves.
Yeah, watch me. You know.
So we'll let you get a little bit of view around here. Here we go. We'll start you facing the road.
And right across the road here, actually a little to the left, is our favorite little restaurant slash bar so far. Have actually been there a couple of times since we've been here. Excellent service, great beers, awesome prices.
Beautiful trees. Here's the black sand. There's always a lot of driftwood and stumps, which is beautiful, so as the waves go over them, they become these smooth formations. You can see the different colors of black. There's gray sand, there's even a little white mixed in. And...
boom. Yeah. We'll just let you listen to that for a minute. Find your zen.
What I love about the beach here that we haven't seen in other locations around the world is the water lives in the air here. You can see it. There's just a mist that hangs over the city. Oh, I mean, I guess I should say town. Cahuita is very small.
Yes, very small. There is one main street that's about 4 blocks long. A couple of the cross streets are paved. Everything else is pothole-laden dirt road. You gotta have a good suspension in your car if you want to drive here.
And it's just beautiful being in the rainforest. You experience, it's kind of like being in Pittsburgh actually. You experience all seasons in one day. We started out the morning with thunderstorms, and we had a stretch of really just high sunshine, high humidity.
Intense heat.
Yep, and now we're kind of like spring, fall-ish kind of weather with the clouds and the mugginess.
And overnight we'll have our winter where it will drop to a frigid 75 degrees.
Oh. Yes.
So yeah, we just wanted to touch base with everybody because, well, we miss you. And we hope you're all doing awesome.
Yeah, and we always want to bring you along on our adventures. We do this for you. We want you to know what is out there in the world, and when you're ready, let us know. We'll send you.
We will. This is, as I like to say, hashtag market research.
Yes.
So.
All right. Yeah. Goodbye for now.
Yeah. And if you guys have any questions, comments, anything, you got our email, you got our Facebook, you got our phone number. Reach out and we'll get back to you. Bye-bye, everybody.